it's becoming apparently clear that one Cleophas Malala, the immediate senator for Kakamega and the current acting Secretary General of UDA party, has been hired by ODM and its sympathizers to wreck the Kenya Kwanza coalition from within. I say so because of the following reasons. And one, I have evidence. I have been furnished by M-Pesa statements. I have been furnished by bank statements that indicates that this young man is receiving money from ODM sympathizers to wreck the Kenya Kwanza coalition from within. This is very evident. One, Cleophas Malala doesn't understand the efforts that our President William Samoei Ruto and very many leaders put to bring Musalia Mudavadi and Moses Wetangula within the Kenya Kwanza coalition. So when you incite the people of Bungoma against Wetangula, when you incite the people of Higa against the Prime Cabinet Secretary and the Minister for Foreign Affairs, the Right Honorable His Excellency Wycliffe Musalia Mudavadi, you are basically weakening the foot soldiers of William Samoei Ruto for ODM to pass in 2027. How can the Secretary General of a party of the President convene a meeting in Bungoma and you are asking Wetangula to show what he has brought for the national government? You are asking him to show the number of people he has employed in the national government, and you go ahead to insinuate that the members of parliament across the country who are not within UDA, they will not get development but unless they join UDA party. We want to be clear that our President William Samoei Ruto has continued to reiterate that bravado, chest thumping is not going to take us anywhere. Wapende wasipende will not take us anywhere. And I want to remind Cleophas Malala, he can console the elders who went ahead of him, that we performed dismally in Kakamega County in last general elections because of his poor political arithmetics, because he was our captain. When you are running for governor on a Kenya Kwanza coalition, he was basically the captain of Kenya Kwanza coalition in Kakamega County. I want to tell him that his political miscalculations in Kakamega at that time cannot work this time around in Bungoma. Bungoma is a proud county. The people of Bungoma are very unforgiving to individuals who show them madarau. They are very unforgiving to people who want to bulldoze them. That is the original land of Baheba. Why he is doing so is because he has been hired by ODM. He is on ODM payroll. He is on Azimio remnants payroll to wreck the boat of Kenya Kwanza coalition. We cannot allow what befell Azimio, what befell ODM, what befell Jubilee Party to befell our government. We are going to ensure that as the head of state focuses on delivery of the Kenya Kwanza agenda, as he focuses on the delivery of the Hustlers Nation and transforming this country through bottom-up transformative agenda, we are going to flex our muscles, we are going to pull up our antenna and ensure that there is no space for ODM hirelings. There is no room for Azimio remnants, hirelings and representatives in our government.